Hi everyone, and welcome to Section 4, Designing Platform as a Service. In this video, we will learn about digital transformation. Digital transformation is the process your business needs to go through to operate in a cloud computing environment. The transition between an on-prem environment and a cloud environment involves using new technologies like SSO and have more focus on security. Hybrid cloud transformation requires your business to connect your on-prem environment to Microsoft Azure. The most common tools to do it are Azure AD Connect for users and group sync to Azure, and network VPN connection to Microsoft Azure. Single sign-on. With SSO, you can centralize your entire user access and allow users to use a single login account to all apps. This process also prevents users that are no longer with the company to access apps and services. For SSO configuration, use Azure AD P1 or P2 licensing. Security and compliance. For security and compliance, Azure offers tools like Azure Analytics that allows you to tap into logs from your cloud services and get better insights. You can also use Azure AD Conditional Access for better control the logging process of your users and require MFA when users are using non-secure devices and locations.